Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to essentially download a playlist, or not how to download a playlist, on how to play a playlist on your OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. So there's a couple ways with like plugins you can do it, but without any plugins, you can actually make it really easy on yourself. You can either post the playlist to YouTube. I'm going to show you way one, then I'll show you way two. So the easiest way is I just chose a random playlist. This is not my playlist. So I'm not going to even play it out for that long. I'm just going to show you guys how to add it. I would just go ahead and add a browser to my sources. I already added one. And then I would go to properties. And then I'll go ahead and put this link like so. Or if you wanted to be a little bit easier, you could go ahead and also use a window capture. Right now I have my window captured. Go ahead and transform fit to screen, and then I'll transform it again, and then you can edit transform and change the crop to get it to show just the video. If you don't care, which I really don't, I'll have it show a little bit more. Here, let me go ahead and make this small for you guys so you guys can see, right? So now that we have this as kind of like what we want it, I think you guys would have missed out on the edit transform. I didn't realize I was doing this on this and not my other OBS. I apologize. You just right click on it and press transform, and then fit the screen, and then transform and edit transform, and you can crop it however you want. Now it's going to be playing this playlist out just in general. And then you could just go ahead and press play on your YouTube, and then it'll go ahead and just play your playlist back to back to back. Now, another way you could do this is by going to, I don't know, let's say you have a video editor. You can go ahead and just put all your videos that you want to play back to back to back. Go ahead and export them, and then just use a media source to go ahead and play your playlist of videos. The second way and the first way are, I would say, out of the two, the second way is probably the easiest and how I've always done it. And then, yeah, other than that, though, have a wonderful day.